Hey, it's Clary, and today I'll be showing you how to OP yourself on your Minecraft server. Firstly, you'll want to head into your Minecraft service and then into the Operators tab under Players. You then have to head over here and enter the name of the player you want to OP. I'll be entering my username here and then pressing add. To check that's worked, head to the dashboard of the service and you should see Made Living Online a server operator. Now we'll head into our Java game to double check we can now use cheats. Once your game is open and you've headed into your server, enter /GameModeCreative, and you should be able to change your game mode as well as use the cheats. If this hasn't worked for you, we recommend following these steps again to ensure you've added an operator correctly. If you're wanting to set someone as an operator on Bedrock, the process is fairly different. You can't add operators on Bedrock per se, but you can enable cheats on the server. To do this, head into your Minecraft service and press Files, then head into Server.properties. Scroll down until you find the Allow Cheats value and change that to True. Once you're done, make sure to press Save File and then restart the server for the changes to take effect. Now that the server is restarted, we can double check cheats are working by heading into your server. Once we're in the game and connected, we can now use the command /GameMode to see if it works. And ta-da! Your game mode should now be changed. If it's not, this indicates you haven't followed the steps correctly, so we recommend going back and double checking. I hope I was able to assist you in setting up your server. If you have any further questions, please don't hesitate to comment down below or contact our support. Bye guys!